As you know, we don't have an RV yet, but I'm trying to build us a little camper here, so I'm going to show it to you 10 minutes at a time. Hope you enjoy what you're about to see. Hope this doesn't end up to be me. Good morning from the old shed. Yeah, it's really not morning, as you can see. I've been working all day and took a break because I turned on the heater in here in the shed because I was doing a little painting. I don't want to paint in my shop. I just really don't, in my garage. And so I turned on the heater in here. It's only, what is it in here right now? It's only 58 in here with the heater on. It's cool today. So that's all. That's going to be dry by tomorrow. I'll be installing it. You can see I got my little holes already drilled in it. And I'll be installing that hopefully tomorrow. But that's 60 seconds of what I've been doing today. A lot of more stuff in the old, what am I going to call that? A camper, I guess. In the trailer we're working on, I did a lot in there. Maybe I'll show you that now. Electrical outlets in the trailer yet, but I know how to get a cord in there and shut the door. And yeah, we got heat going on in here, but I'm gonna have to open up the door to do what I need to do anyway. A little warmer in here, a little smaller area. Let me show you what we've been doing. Patched that wood right there because it was missing. Got that patched so we can paint that wall white. We can paint all this white. We may do that today. Got to do some sand in there. I took the screws out there and filled the holes. I'm going to take them out everywhere, I think, and then replace them. I think. May just paint and leave them white. I got to think about that. But that's what we're doing in here today. I'm eating right now, having my lunch. Took a break, waiting for things to warm up and dry. And then we'll come in here and, yeah, that'll be ready to sand in an hour or so, I think. Let me see what we got here. Oh yeah, it's dusty. Yeah, we can sand that off and maybe even slap on some paint today. That's it. Another 60 seconds gone. Well, let's see if we can do this in 60 seconds. Well, I know there's no need to be paint there because I got something that goes there. You know, fighting runs everywhere. I'm just standing in here dabbing the little runs up now because you get a run when you got a bolt sticking out like that, and that holds that on, so I can't take it out. Anyway, I did take all the screws out of here. I'll put them back in. I got to go over it again everywhere, but this is what she's looking like. I'll give you an idea. That's probably 2 coats on that one, but this one's down here is 1. You can see the difference. That wood just soaking it up. I'm waiting to see if we need to go with a 3rd coat on this stuff here. But there you go. There's 60 seconds of what I'm doing right now. We're only going to go to right there today. And then tomorrow I can finish off the rest of it and hit any spots up here I missed. So that's it. There's 60 seconds. Gone. Another quick one. We're done for the day. As far as I'm going back, most of this has had 2 coats. It may need 3. It won't take me long tomorrow to finish that, but I want to move all that stuff out of the way. We got 1 coat on the doors. They're going to need more. You can tell that for sure. But that's it. This side's done up to that point too. I went up to that board on that, so I only got 4 foot left to go here. We got plenty of paint left. I'll probably end up doing a whole another 2 coats maybe on the whole thing. Just why not? I got the paint. It don't look too bad, but well, here I know I got to do this because I didn't even tape it off because I just emptied the hose on the brush and the roller. I put it there, so we'll go back and hit that. But that's it for today. I'm done. 60 seconds. I think it's gonna look okay when we get her done. It made it a lot brighter in here, that's for sure. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Well, good morning. It's another one, another morning. Hey, it's a good morning every time you wake up. And this is where we are. It's 29 degrees outside. So, we don't even have a latch on this thing for the inside, so I made one to latch myself in here and keep the heat in here. Got the little heater going right there. But I think we got the walls pretty good. Two coats on this, 2 coats there. 3 coats up in that area right there, just in case I missed something. But we're good all the way to here. But I run out of paint. I don't have enough for either door, this door or the other door. Don't know what I'm going to do on the doors anyway. So maybe a window on that door. But that's where we are today. Got some more stuff to show you in the house. But that's 60 seconds of me trying to stay warm. We're about done for today. Liquid nails. We're putting this up, and they ain't got glue on it. Yee, money. I can't do anything without being sloppy. Anyway, we're about done for today. Using the liquid nails to hold this down. I'm going to place a bunch of weights and stuff on it to make sure it stays down. I think that's going to be it for today because we're still waiting on paint to dry on everything else. And so we're just going to wait, leave the heater going, and this worked out okay in here. Nice in here. Ain't nice outside. So now I'm just going to stick that down and I'll show you that just in a second here. There we go. We got it done. Got the weights laying on it just to help hold it down. May not even need them, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So that fits in there pretty good. Then we got all the other stuff goes in there. Maybe tomorrow we can get on to that. But I got one more thing to show you in the house, and then I think that's going to be it for today. But that turned out okay. That's going to look really good when I get the weights off of it and take all my tape off, so I know, because I needed to know where things go. But there you go. Let's go look at what we got done in the house. Well, obviously, we are in the house. Here's the 3 doors. Once I painted them, they all started warping. It's a water base, and this is not the best wood you could buy. It's the best wood I could buy. But it started warping on me. So what I've done is I've painted the good side now. It's got, I think, all the coats it'll need. I think it's 3 coats. If it needs another, I will. But you can see that I've put boards under it, little weights under it. That's to bow it back into the direction it need be. Here also. And over here. I had a screw hole there, so I thought I might as well just put a screw in it because I didn't have another clamp. Other than the big ones. I need to buy a bunch of these. They were just nice. So, waiting for that paint to dry before we do anything else. So that's going to be it for today's 60 seconds at a time. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully straight wood. Good morning and howdy doody to you. This is the backboard that's going to go on in the RV. I don't know if this is going to hold it together till we get out there and try to put it together. I hope so. Sure make things easier if I could put it in one piece. Probably the only way I can put it in is one piece. So I'm hoping that this works. I'll have to have my assistant come outside and help me if I can get her out of the house. But we got the hinges on the things this morning also. Put the hinges on, and then I touched up all the places that are got little screw ups here or there. Touched that up with the paint, and I'm done with the paint. It's done. But look how bowed that one is. Got to figure something out on that. We'll figure it out though. I'm thinking I'll figure it out. I got an idea. But man, that is bowed, and I tried to straighten it. Did not do it. We'll figure it out. So let's get on to see if I can get my helper out here, and we'll get that out into the camper. I'll I think I'll go out there and see how things look first, because it'll be a while before she gets here. Can you hear the rain? Yes, the rain did come today, that's for sure. We're inside here working on you know what. And that thing is cooking me out of here. Yeah, that's going to keep it very warm in here. Matter of fact, I'm going to turn that thing back down on to low. We got it plenty warm in here. And it's working fine. Gas line's coming through there. I don't know if it'll fit where I want it yet. We haven't got around to it, but right now it's doing its job. And we're getting ready to do some work right here. I'll show you that in just a few seconds. Looks like this stuff's all stuck down nicely. So, let's get on to the next one. There's 60 seconds of what we're doing right now. Still raining. Did get my latch put in. Went through all my stuff and I got a latch there. That'll work great. I'll put a handle and everything out here, but that'll be the good lock for it. As you can see, we need more paint. I used a gallon, but we need to do that end over there another third time. It takes 3 coats with this stuff without putting a primer down. Yeah, I know I should have put a primer down, but I didn't. Anyway, okay, this is what we just got done. Remember that piece of metal? I painted it black, drilled holes in it. That's where it goes. Now, it's got just a slight edge here, and I'm going to put caulking all the way along here. Slight edge so things might not fall off as easily as without an edge. So, I don't know what else we can do with the rain pouring down, but we'll figure something out. There's 60 seconds for you. Still raining, you can hear that, I'm sure. Had to add a hole. Hadn't thought about that, but you know, you go down the road, you need one. Because you can't have the wires coming through that door with the door open. So, put a hole there. Then I can pull the wires out if I want to pull out the heater and put it out here. Everything goes out here greatly. I like it. So anyway, I got the hinges on. Latches on, and I just noticed I missed a screw. I ain't going to show you where it's at, but there's what we got done in this 35, 38 seconds. Well, I was lucky today. Oh, it looks like if I bump into that thing, she shuts off, and it was off, so we're going to shut that off. Anyway, we're done for the day. It's too rainy. And I just wanted to show you how that turned out. I think that ain't bad at all. What do you guys think? She's not too shabby. The doors are still a little warped, but it is a camper. It ain't supposed to be all purdied up. Just do the best I can, and that's all I can ask for. I still got to get better. I got some more pipe in there. That's just for fitting. Got some nice new pipe that'll run into there. Go all the way up and feed wiring and stuff. We're going to put, look how this works. Just open that up. See that light? There you go. That light there, she's going to go right over here. Vicky wants that right over here so she can see what she's cooking here, preparing. So the light will go there. We got to cut some holes. I got to do caulking. This board wasn't quite long enough, but I didn't want to waste one of these full boards just for that little sliver there, so I didn't. I'm gonna caulk it, cock-a-doodle-doo. It's gotta have caulking all the way around it, gotta have caulking into here, because of the, so water and everything can't get back there. There's a whole plan all along to put caulking back there, but that turned out okay. Got our chrome screws back in here and there. Missing one maybe, check them out. I think they're all there. Yeah, so that's what she's going to look like. I'm going to measure that and see if that will fit in there. I don't know. Anyway, that's it for today. That's 2 minutes, and I think that's going to be a film on this one. That's about 3 days worth of filming for you guys. I like it. I like it a lot.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hey, you know what to do. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. I really read every one of them. And you know what else you can do? Hey, I'll see you in 48 hours. Thanks.